What's up, guys? This is your boy, the Ominous Maverick. I'm going to be showing you guys my NVIDIA control panel settings. This is for any game. Now, you don't have to do this just for all, no, just for one. You can do them for all. So what we're going to do is how you open this up is right click, go down to NVIDIA control panel. If not, just do this search. NVIDIA control panel in that. If you do not have it downloaded in that, I suggest going to the Windows Store in that and downloading it. Now we're gonna go here to manage 3D settings in that. Actually, you know what? First, we're gonna go to the adjust image. Go down to here, go down to performance, and then after you're done with that, go back to use the advanced 3D image settings, and then after that apply, and then we went down to here 3D settings. Now I have image scaling off. I really don't need it. A lot of these you're gonna see off, and that the gamma correction I left on. If we scroll down here, and that I don't do the background application max frame rate. I don't know why, and that why that would be some in that. I do have, if you do guys see low latency mode, turn that to on, not to ultra, to on. In my opinion, I get a lot better use out of that. We have the monitor technology in that, G-Sync compatibility. To be honest with you, switch that to fixed refresh and that. And then I have the multi-frame sampled AA off. I did put the OpenGL rendering to my GPU. And then I actually did optimal power, and that, to be honest with you, you would want to put this on prefer maximum performance. This helps so in that way you get enough power to your GPU and to your whole entire system to be able to get a higher frame rate. I For the refresh rate here, I keep that application controlled. Shader cache size, I keep this at 100. I have 100 gigabytes to spare. The texture filtering I have on. The negative LOD bias allow. The quality high performance for me. And that, if you want quality, just go to quality. I do prefer high performance in that because it helps with that FPS. With the texture filtering, trilinear optimization, I put that on. The thread optimization is your cores and your threads, and that I turn that to on. Triple buffering, if this is on, turn it off. Vertical sync, I normally just use 3D application settings. To be honest with you, we're going to turn that off. We really don't need that. Obviously. So I'm going to apply that. I don't have really anything else that I changed. I don't have G-Sync. I don't use it. I feel like it kind of lowers your FPS. I do have it left on aspect ratio. I do need to change that though. Okay. And then here we go. Adjust color settings. So what I did, what I'm gonna do here, and that I actually like it at 80. If you guys don't like it at 80, just go down a little bit in that, test out between 50 and 80 in that. But 80 for me is what I like. Other than that, that is all for my NVIDIA control panels, and that for any of the games that I play. This is for any game. I don't change these, and that I leave them how they are, so then that way each game, when I go into a game, I mess with the in-game settings and that, so that way I can get that great FPS frame rate that everyone would like, the highest frame rate that we all strive for. Now, this is sadly going to be the ending of the video and that. Now, I will be kind of offline for a while and that, but I will be uploading once I do get internet back. Um, Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Peace.